Alright, here is a quick tip for shortening your links by using bit.ly.com. So without wasting any time, it's just a link shortener, but they have some other services. So without wasting any time, just click on get started for free and then choose the free version. So you might notice they have some other paid versions here, like branded links. If you want to add your own name to the link and use a custom domain name, because with the free version you'll only be able to edit the back half, as I'm going to show you. The other paid feature is to link redirects. If you created a link today and then you change it or it's broken, you can create a redirect using Bitly. And then the other paid feature is the bulk link. Now that's for the basic, and then for the premium you have some other stuff like dashboard reporting, campaigns, location and device type data, mobile deep links, and then you have enterprise, which has personalized onboarding and experts. You have like a dedicated account manager that will give you support all the time. You also have the number of bit links per month. Notice on the free version you only have 50 links per month, and then it goes on increasing from 1,500 to 3,000 for premium and 10,000 plus for enterprise. So simply choose the free version and use sign up with Google. Once that is done, you have your account here. Now this, I think, is not a fresh or a brand new account. Notice I have one link here created, but to create a link you simply click on create. And by the way, you can also use the Chrome version to do that, to create the links faster. The last video showed you how to install a Chrome extension, so it shouldn't be difficult for you. We so far looked at how to install Chrome extensions for example, crypto wallets like MetaMask, a Chrome extension for Binance wallet. So it's the same process. Anyway, so just simply enter your long link that you have copied. For example, for me, I have it's my website right here, so I have this very long link. So I just simply copy it using Ctrl+C, and then you go back to your Bitly and then enter the long link here. You can, by the way, do all this stuff on your phone. Bitly has a mobile app. So I paste my long link and then I click on create. Don't worry so much about these ones, the source, the medium, the campaign. These ones mostly work for people who are affiliate marketers who have huge campaigns that they are running. So it helps them to tell which link is which. For example, if you had a campaign for Facebook and Instagram and you wanted to use a different link for each platform, you could use the campaign here. And then the medium, maybe it's an email, or it's a Facebook post, or it's a Facebook ad, or a YouTube ad, or a Google ad. This is the medium that helps you distinguish between the links. And the source, it could be via Google, via Facebook. That's the source of the traffic. Anyway, so just click on create. Don't worry so much about this if you don't have a big project or big campaign that you are working on. Alright, so just like that we have our link. You can just click on copy, or if you want you can just edit this half here. For example, you can make it you can call it graphic design internship, and then click on create. Now you notice this link is already taken by someone else, so I might say internee, just like that, and then click on save. Okay, done. So that's your short link from this super long link. And you can tweet it right there. That's the basics of Bitly for shortening your links. The other stuff, I don't really think you need to jump into. There's nothing you have to jump into anyway. So just keep it as simple as that, shortening your links, and then you can see how many people have clicked on those links. And so you can be able to measure your traffic and measure your money if you had invested or invested in ads, put in the efforts to share in groups and all that good stuff. Anyway, so that's the quick tip, even though it wasn't as quick as I thought it would be, But thanks for watching the video, and I hope it helps you get started with tracking your marketing efforts. If you like the video, be sure to hit the like button, and if you don't like the video, be sure to leave the comments to let me know why, okay, so that we can make these videos better. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to do that also, and hit the bell notification button. That way when I release a new video, you will be notified. Otherwise, see you in the next one.